एवरीवन, वेलकम टू बायोमिक्स। आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं प्रोटीन टारगेटिंग इनटू इनर मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया। जैसे कि हमको पता है ये जो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया जो सेल ऑर्गेनल जो प्रेजेंट है, इट इज हैविंग टू लेयर्स। द फर्स्ट वन इज द आउटर पार्ट इज नोन एज द आउटर मेम्ब्रेन एंड इनर वन इज नोन एज द इनर मेम्ब्रेन। आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कैसे एक प्रोटीन आकर इनर मेम्ब्रेन पे टारगेट हो सकता है। सो ये मैकेनिज्म को जानने के लिए, ये टारगेटिंग सिस्टम को जानने के लिए देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ pathways. First we will understand the first pathway. Okay, so यहाँ पे जो pathway जो present है, जो present है, it is having a N-terminal region and a C-terminal region. It is having, this protein is being present in this cytoplasm. So for preventing this protein from misfolding, there are certain chaperones which are present, which are bounded in this protein. Okay. When this protein will be targeted in the outer membrane, when it will go near the translocon, this chaperones will be removed by utilization of ATP. ये जो chaperones जो present है, this will be removed by utilization of the ATP. Okay. So, ये जो एन टर्मिनल रीजन पे जो प्रेजेंट है, यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट क्या है, यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है मैट्रिक्स टारगेटिंग सीक्वेंस। हमें तो टारगेट करना है इनर मेम्ब्रेन पे। सो व्हाई इट इज हैविंग ए मैट्रिक्स टारगेटिंग सीक्वेंस? सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड नाउ। ओके, सो यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है TIM20 जो कि है रिसेप्टर एंड इट विल हेल्प इन बाइंडिंग विद द STOM40। ओके, ये जो TOM40 जो प्रेजेंट है, इट इज नोन एज STOM बिकॉज इट इज नोन एज द ट्रांसलोकन ऑफ आउटर मेम्ब्रेन। ये आउटर मेम्ब्रेन का ट्रांसलोकन है। ओके, दिस प्रोटीन विल बी ट्रांसपोर्टेड थ्रू दिस TOM40 and it will be transported into the TIM23 और TIM70। ये जो TIM जो प्रेजेंट है, इट इज नोन एज ट्रांसलोकन ऑफ इनर मेम्ब्रेन। दिस इज प्रेजेंट इन द इनर मेम्ब्रेन। ठीक है, when it will be transported in the N terminal and what it was having a matrix targeting sequence. Okay, ये जो present है, जब कभी भी ये जो sequence जो है, when it will come near the matrix, it will be cleaved by a protease. यहाँ पे जो present है, it will be cleaved by a protease and the signal sequence will be released. Okay. So now here also the HSP70 is bounded because it will help in preventing from misfolding. So after this it will be having, you can see here that it is having a short sequence of the protein. So this is the protein which is being protected by the HSP70. After this there was a stop transfer anchor sequence. So as this is a stop transfer sequence, it will be having some hydrophobic amino acids. So it cannot pass this lipid bilayer. Okay, the stop sequence will be present and in this translocon. And now as it is present in this translocon and it cannot be carried forward into the mitochondrial matrix, next what it will do, it will help in lateral diffusion. Okay, and this protein will be targeted into the inner membrane. Now this protein is now present in the inner membrane. Okay, this was the first pathway of targeting the protein into the inner membrane. Now let us understand the second pathway. ये जो second pathway जो present है, you can see here that is in the N terminal and that is matrix targeting sequence. That means it will again go into the matrix when only it will be transported into the inner membrane. After that it is having a short sequence of protein. Then it is having a OXA1 targeting sequence. Okay, if this protein is having a OXA1 targeting sequence, that means some of the proteins or translocons will be present, which is known as OXA. Okay, so here we can see this is being recognized, this protein which is present, it is being recognized by TOM20 which is a receptor, and it is being transported into the translocon which is known as TOM70 which is present in the outer membrane. ये जो present है, ये outer membrane पे present है. Okay, now this protein will be transported through this TOM40. ये जो TOM40 जो present है, यहाँ से ये transfer होगा, ये जो protein जो present है, ये transfer होगा and it will be taken by the TIM23 और TIM70. ओके, सो यहाँ पे क्या प्रेजेंट था? यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट था हमारा मैट्रिक्स टारगेटिंग सीक्वेंस. सो व्हेन दिस मैट्रिक्स टारगेटिंग सीक्वेंस विल कम इन द मैट्रिक्स, देन इट विल बी क्लीव्ड बाय द मैट्रिक्स प्रोटीएज. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्या था? यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट था हमारा प्रोटीन. नेक्स्ट क्या प्रेजेंट था, नेक्स्ट प्रेजेंट था OXA1 टारगेटिंग सीक्वेंस. ओके, ये जो प्रोटीन जो प्रेजेंट है with the help of the chaperone which is known as HSP70. This HSP70 along with preventing from misfolding, it will also help in pulling the protein okay inside the matrix. So ये जो प्रोटीन जो प्रेजेंट है ये पूरा का पूरा प्रोटीन आ गया हमारा मैट्रिक्स के अंदर. Okay, as it was having a OXA targeting sequence, this will be targeted in the inner membrane because the OXA which is present, it is present in the inner membrane. Okay, so ये जो sequence जो present है ये आकर bind होगा यहाँ पे. Okay, in this OXA sequence, it will be targeted in this OXA sequence. Okay, now next, when it is having multiple OXA targeting sequence, it will be diffused or there will be lateral diffusion. Here lateral diffusion, and it will be present in the inner membrane of the matrix. Inner membrane of the mitochondria. Okay, now let us see the third pathway. यहाँ पे क्या present है? यहाँ पे there are multiple internal target sequence. Internal target sequences present है. यहाँ पे N-terminal पे कुछ amino acids present नहीं है. It is not having any sequence which is required for targeting the matrix targeting sequence. It is not having any signal sequence with it. Only it is having internal targeting sequence. Okay. Now this protein will be first of all targeted into the TOM complex or the TOM40, and it will be transferred inside the inner membrane. Okay, as it is having internal targeting sequence, this internal targeting sequence will be taken by this TIM22. Okay, when it is being transferred inside this intermembrane space, when this protein is being transferred inside the intermembrane space, there are some proteins which is known as TIM9 or TIM10. These are the chaperones. This TIM9 and TIM10, what it will do, they will help in transferring this protein near the TIM complex. Okay, this will help in the preventing from misfolding, as well as they will help in the transfer near the TIM complex. Okay, so what happened next? There will be when this is raised, because it is having internal targeting sequence, there will be lateral diffusion of this protein, and there will be assembly of these proteins. Okay, because they are having multiple internal targeting sequence. I hope you have understood how this protein targeting is taking place is in the mitochondria, in inner membrane of the mitochondria. This is how the proteins which are having multipass, protein, they are being targeted in the inner membrane of mitochondria. Thank you everyone for watching this video till the end, and if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.